friends. So welcome to day 14 of our exciting AI journey. So today we are going to build our own ML model just in 10 minutes. So please do watch till and don't miss anything. So you will find some interesting things and you will be able to build your own model after this. So do you want to build your own AI? You want to build your own ML model? Please do watch this. And before that, please do subscribe to our channel AI Code Gyan. Do hit the like button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any day content of our 30-day AI content challenge. Okay, let's start. Let us build the machine learning model today on Jupyter Notebook. You can download Jupyter Notebook using pip install Jupyter and on command line, and make sure that you have all requirements installed already. I'll put a video in description. Make sure that you can download Jupyter yourself. Now let us start with it. So today we are going to start with a linear model. Let us start. So for first we are going to import Pandas as PD. We are going to import NumPy. So there are two big libraries. Pandas is basically panel data or Python data library, you can say, data science library, so which is useful for analysis, manipulation, and NumPy is numerical Python, which is used for numerical operations on different variables. So let us start with it. So we use import Pandas PD to make sure we are importing Pandas PD and NumPy is NP. And what else we need? We need Matplotlib. Yeah, so let us import as PLT. Sorry, it is pyplot. Matplotlib.pyplot we use basically as PLT. And we have Scikit-Learn. So please make sure to install this in your folder already using pip install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-Learn, so that you can import them now. So we can use linear model. From Scikit-Learn matrix, we will import mean absolute error. Also mean squared error. There are different metrics we use this for. We use it for regression. So basically today we are going to have an answer on regression. We are building a regression model here first. So yeah, we'll also go with R2 score. Basically, R2 score will determine whether this model is a perfect model. Something's left. We'll also import Scikit-Learn for anything which is required. Now let us see. Yeah, so these all are imported now. Now let us start. So we have our file saved in. So we can use pd.read CSV, read underscore CSV, and our file is stored in folder AI underscore Python. So we're going to give the path of this folder. So we'll use df is equal to pt dot read CSV, and we'll print this to make sure it is. Now we can see we have flat data, I mean, of around 5 samples. I mean, it's 6 samples, and we have size of the plot, we have the number of bedrooms, and we have the prices. We are going to build a linear regression model with the help of this data. All this data seems to be nearly perfect. It's nearly linear, and we'll come to know by building the model. Now what we'll do, we'll find x is equal to df. Now what we'll do, we'll assign the data frame values to x and y axis. So let us take the x sample as, so it's a 2D array of size and in square feet and bedrooms. Y is equal to df and rho is equal to basically, yeah, df column price basically. So price is the column which we are looking for as a target, and now let us print x and y to make sure we have assigned it correctly. This is capital X by default. Yeah. So we can see we are able to get bedrooms, size and bedrooms in X. How do you say, X array you can say, or X data sample, or on X axis, and on Y axis we have our prices. So similarly we can take some other data sets as well, and we need to pre-process. So this is called data pre-processing we are doing. Now after this, what we are going to do, now after we have pre-processed basically data, now we can go ahead with building the model. Now x underscore train comma x underscore test comma y underscore test comma y underscore y underscore train comma y underscore test is equal to train test split comma y comma test size. So this is a parameter. We can give 4 parameters into test. X, y are the basically data sets, and test size is the basically standard test size is 20% of the whole data set, and 80% is the training size. And we have random state is equal to 42. But before that, we need to download this dot model selection import train test split. Now after this, before we make our model fit, before that we'll pre-process this data again, which is optional step here, but we will need in more complex data steps. Import scalar is equal to standard scale. So we will make an object of this library here, and now we'll have scalar dot fit is called transform. Similarly for x underscore test we'll have yes, we will download it from scalar dot preprocessing. Now we have pre-processed the data again. Now we can fit the model. So basically, we are fitting a model means it will prepare the. So model is equal to linear regression So we'll use model.fit x train x underscore train comma y comma train data set to make sure. So basically x train x underscore train and y underscore train gives us the training data set, and x underscore test and y underscore test gives us a test data set here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to find the predictive y, which is y underscore model dot predict x of test. Now we have already imported 4 parameters. It is mean absolute error, mean squared error, and R2 square. Let us calculate those. So how are we going to calculate? So first MAE is equal to error let us calculate this. So we have got around 1.4551. Now again we will calculate this for MSE, that is mean square error. Basically mean absolute error is the absolute difference between the predicted y or predicted data and the test data. So that's how it will give the mean absolute error, and mean square error would be base rate is 4.235. We have one more parameter RMSE, that is NP. So we'll use NumPy here, that will be square root of mean square error, which gives more accurate error estimation. Now there is one more, that is R2 score. So we've already imported it here. If this comes to be around 1, that will be perfect model. So this is 1. So as we we assumed initially. This is a perfect model. R2 score is 1.0. Let us plot this data set. We already imported. Now let us start with the plotting. So what we are going to do, we are going to plot the scatter plot, and we are going to use x underscore train, and in bracket we'll use colon comma 0. That will make sure. So this is used for when we read it from Excel, CSV. Suppose if we're using a data frame, we can directly name the column. We can convert this to a data frame and then we can use it. And we're going to title as linear regression model, and let's see. So we can see that it's a linear curve. Oh, thank you. I'll post some more coding exercises on this. I'll put in the description. Yeah, hello friends, how are you? Namaste. So today we have completed day 14. So we have learned how to build our own ML model in just 10 minutes. So I hope you have understood it and you will be able to build your own model. If you have any doubts, just mail us to aicodegyan@gmail.com, or you can comment on the video. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any content of the AI content challenge, and also keep enjoying AI. So now next we'll be learning what is deep learning. So this is the next week which we'll be starting with. So that's very important topic we are going to learn, and it's very interesting one. Do comment if you have any doubts, and yes, please do subscribe. And if you have any doubts, just let us know through our email or comments. We'll be happy to help. So let us learn AI together. Keep learning. Bye bye.